Be Here Access is a neck loop style headset. In this video, I'll show you how to wear it comfortably. Pick up the headset, making sure the W and H logo is facing you, and the charging cradle magnets are on the bottom. Raise it over your head and settle it on the back of your neck, either above or beneath the shirt collar. The control boxes will be facing up. Insert the earbuds into your ears. Tuck the ear hooks into your ears. Slightly twisting the earpiece forward and backwards helps to insert the hooks properly. This is what it should look like when inserted properly. The earpieces should fit snugly yet comfortably. Different sizes of earbuds and hooks are provided for you to find your perfect fit. If you'd like, you can flatten the cables by inserting them into the clips located above the control boxes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.